Walking Macau Streets. Dear Lord, show me a sign. Give me a map. Oh yeah.
Many people love it. It's very popular. But there it is right there. This one and that one right there, right? Very good. Yeah. Argan Bifo Pao. Thank you guys. And then we got a Portuguese bakery and dinner time as well. Yeah, it's kind of interesting because you got this giant window. It feels out of context with the rest, but then there's another one right here too, which is similar, and they made it into an art exhibition, so it's kind of cool. Kind of a rainy day today. We're still on Clérigos. Okay, so we are gonna do this little Clérigos street, and I just want to highlight the Clerigos is right off of this Rua de Cunha, which is kind of a food street. It's kind of a busy little space. This is going to be our target street down that way, so we're going to walk down that in a little bit, and that's called Clerigos. And there's the sign of Clerigos. And that one kind of leads into this whole little labyrinth of narrow little buildings, and this is the food street. And this over here is the park. So we're gonna kind of give you a whole preview of all of that, and then we're gonna head down our Clérigos street on this rainy day. So stay tuned for that. 2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on. Yeah, that's going to be our target street. Let's just look down here slightly. I'm going to walk into it. This is kind of a food street, and it's called Cunha Guy, Rua de Cunha. And you got bifo pao, beef intestines. You got more bifo pao, more beef intestines, and all the way down. Hello, how are you doing? You got bifo pao? That's okay. Thank you though. Hello. The bifo pao. Yeah, it's popular. Many people love it. It's very popular. But there it is right there. This one and that one right there, right? Very good. Yeah. Argan Bifo Pao. Thank you guys. So yeah, actually they got, here's Lord Stowe's, which is actually another popular place. We're gonna come down slightly, and then we're gonna come back. Just kind of give you a little idea. There's also little alleys like this, with some nice little murals like that, and all kinds of stuff. But we are getting a little bit away from the side street, but it is an interesting area. So let's go down to Clerigos. So we're gonna head on back down. And you got some samples right there. So popular. A lot of people do line up in these bifo pao restaurants. Very popular. Which is kind of interesting because those are beef intestines, but the city is known for oysters and seafood. This is a little plaza in here. Porta y Salsa. And we really need to go down our target street, so we're gonna start going down that. There's also lots of cool stuff up in that way as well. And right at the corner, we'll get started into it. So we got a little corner Portuguese place. Got a Starbucks on the other side. This little Portuguese has like sardines, Portuguese flag even. Then you got the Starbucks right there. You got Chinese pharmaceutical medicine and some drinks. And some other random stuff. Jewelry shop. Pork chop bun. With a giant pig. And some nice artwork. Thai restaurant. So this one is a little bit flickering. That one's called Thai Lo Ke. This one looks like a coconut milk, maybe? Some kind of milk. The Thai restaurant. I just ate there, it was really great. Portugalia. So this one is Portuguese. I think I just moved locations. Used to be down the street a little bit, but there's a little bit of restructuring with COVID. And then you got all these little alleys like this too. Little flores. Another restaurant. This was being built during COVID, I remember. The Lux, which is like luxury brands. And that was a no dairy sign. The Lux came out, that has a sign. This one also came out during COVID right here. And this one is yet to be determined. But this La Familia is the, it's like a guest house. It's like kind of very affordable lodging. Oh, here's some Portuguese. Must be connected to La Familia. Must be, oh, they got a restaurant in there too. Okay, we're gonna keep on going down. We got a little shrine in here. Little Guanyin statues, among other ones. Oh, it's cool. I always like to see that. Here's a Portuguese restaurant that's a different one. I should visit my messy kitchen. I haven't been down there in a while. That's right on the corner. They got some really good sandwiches there. But maybe later I might stop by there. I stopped by there before and it was and I filmed it. Really nice couple. And this is new. This came out during COVID. And then we got a Portuguese bakery and dinner time as well. Yeah, it's kind of interesting because you got this giant window. It feels out of context with the rest, but then there's another one right here too, which is similar. And they made it into an art exhibition, so it's kind of cool. But it kind of adds to this, you know, you just don't know what you're gonna see in Macau. This kind of mixes everything pretty well, actually. Here's a Portuguese bakery, and they also have some food you can sit down and order. Kind of a rainy day today. We're still on Clérigos. You got all these little alleys and kind of cool, colorful buildings. And I am going to go across here and capture the sign. Clérigos, Clérigos. And we're gonna keep on walking down. It's funny, they got like a little stairwell right there in the window. They got a burger shop here as well. Moon is a bunch of Macau souvenirs. So that's kind of all over. It's a chain one. I think this one is UFO burgers. And we're gonna keep on going down. Bella Taipa is Italian. And we're gonna come out to the end of our street. I'm just going to come out and just kind of show you what else is around here. There's a place, haircut place. I get my haircut there sometimes. This is kind of a nice little space in here. There's a UFO burgers. So I'm going to come back this way again. And I got to watch out for the music a little bit. The music is not good for YouTube videos. So this was our Target Street all the way down. And I'm just gonna come out here and we're gonna end our video. But at least you got a taste of Taipa village based on one of the streets. And I'm just gonna end our video shortly. But I just kind of come out to the kind of a main street. I just painted that yellow. And they opened up some windows too. I'll just kind of capture that so you can see that better. That wasn't gold yellow before, but it looks kind of cool. And by the Taipa, there's a rooftop up there. You can sit up there and eat as well. And I'm just going to, there's Umoon. And I'm just going to come over here real quick. Then you can actually sit in this space as well. And this is, I believe, open to the public. And there you can see some of the balconies up at the top there as well. And I think before they used to have a cat up there. They used to feed a cat, and he would, I guess they still got some water dishes up there. I don't see the cat today on a rainy day. Okay. So anyways, that's a little taste of Clérigos. Oh, they're doing some restructuring here. This is usually very photogenic, but... And I guess what we're gonna do is just gonna come back and end our video back at Clérigos. Yeah, that building is pink, and it's usually kind of cool to see that one. Under the alleys. All kinds of cool stuff in here. Okay. Anyways. Clérigos is our target street. Antonio here has won a lot of awards, so there's recognition on the walls for that. And that's Clérigos street. So kind of a cool little space. And we're just gonna end it, I guess we'll end it right here. 2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on.